Got this error code on Windows? Here are the best ways to get rid of this Windows error for good. So to start, before you dive into more complex solutions, we suggest you to go through a reboot first. Now this simple solution can clear your memory and resources, leaving you with a clean state to start everything up. Next up, run a startup repair. Do it by opening Settings, choose Recovery, then click Restart Now. Now after the computer reboots, go to Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, and then choose Startup Repair. Now you have to follow the on-screen instructions, then fix and diagnose the issues giving you the system booting error. Another thing you should check is to watch out for disk errors, and you can do that by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, hit Enter, then wait until the scan gets complete. But if nothing seems to work, doing a factory reset is your last resort. Make sure you have every data backed up, as this will wipe all of your system data. So to do it, open Settings, go to Recovery, then click Reset this PC. So that's how you can fix this following error code on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.